This is the over at 20 Broadhollow Road. This used to be a county. Monitor PC. I haven't seen these buttons in a little bit. They don't really have a good system in here. Oh, what do they have over here? Very high PC 1210. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah, that's right. Look at this. They wired this call button backwards, so when it closes, it'll ring down. XD. Oh, G's open. Got a Schindler surprise, and this is a very weird interior. That used to be a hidden camera. Whoa! Very bouncy. This is a county. Alright, here we go. My first HXPress. HXPress, I believe, with monitor. I haven't seen a Schindler with monitor PC yet. Got a basic, very basic looking cab for like an office medical building. Let's see if it bounces again. You're in the lobby, and I gotta go use the bathroom. So let me see if I can find a bathroom.